Welcome boys and girls, staff, mums and dads, friends and families of our school. I'd like to acknowledge the traditional keepers of this land. I would also like to pay respect to the Barkindji elders both past and present.
Today is a very special day for Lily and Erin, who are now in Year 6 and their last day at Pomona Public School. Today they receive their school leaders badge and become leaders of our school.
The Year 6 students would now like to share their speeches about the qualities of being a good leader. Erin Gabbert, will you now present your speech?
Good morning, parents, students and teachers. Welcome to the Leaders Assembly. My name is Erin Gabbert and I'm one of your proud school leaders for 2022. I believe a good school leader is trustworthy, loyal and encouraging. As one of your leaders, I will cheer people on, listen to everyone, play fair in the playground, be patient towards others, help other kids and encourage others to do the right thing. I will follow the school values. I will be safe by using equipment correctly and following instructions. I will be respectful by speaking nicely to others no matter who they are. I will be respectful by I will learn by listening to the teacher or supervisor. Thank you for listening to my speech and have a good day.
Thank you, Erin. We enjoyed your speech very much. Lily King will now present her speech.
Good morning, staff, parents and students. My name is Lily King. Welcome to 2022's Leaders Assembly. I believe a good leader is someone who follows the school values and looks out for others. I would now like to explain to you how the letters of my name fit into being a good leader. L is for loyal. I will help others in what they may be going through. I is for include. I will include others in games. L is for listen. I will listen to others and actively listen in class. Y. Y is for yes. I will say yes to helping others. Thank you for coming along and listening to my speech. I really hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you, Lily. Well done presenting your speech. Could Mr. Mack please come forward and have our leaders complete their leaders' pledge?
Thanks, Riley. Girls, can you stand up and hold your right hand up, please? Facing everybody. All right, please repeat after me. We, the school leaders of Pomona School,
We, the school leaders of Pomona Public School,
will strive to be good representatives
will strive to be good representatives
of our school in every thought, word and deed.
of our school in every thought, word and deed.
We promise to carry on the good name our school has achieved,
We promise to carry on the good name our school has achieved,
to act as role models for those we serve,
to act as role models for those we serve,
to treat everyone with respect,
to treat everyone with respect,
to be responsible leaders in every way,
to be responsible leaders in every way,
and to maintain the high standards our parents,
and to maintain the high standards our parents,
our carers, our staff and school expects.
our carers, our staff and school expects.
In everything we do, we will uphold our motto,
In everything we do, we'll uphold our motto,
seize the day,
seize the day,
and of course follow our school values of respect, safety and learning.
and of course follow our school values of respect, safety and learning.
Well done, girls. I will present you with the pledge. You will need to sign it and return it to me. Okay, girls. Unfortunately, your parents couldn't be here today, but it's going to be my pleasure to be presenting you with your school leader badges. So if you want to stand up, there's yours, Lily. Congratulations. Well done. You might want to put that on. Remember, you need to wear this every day. Congratulations. Wherever we go. Now, unfortunately, keep standing please. Your school leaders' shirts couldn't be here today. We didn't quite get them done in time, but they are due to be here this week. But to make up for it, Russell has asked me to present you with these. And I'll just hold one up so everyone can see. So very, very lucky. You're the first year sixes to get that as well, on top of your shirts and everything. Thanks, girls.
Thank you.
Congratulations to our Year 6 leaders. Thank you for attending our special Year 6 Leaders Assembly. Please stand for the National Anthem.